standing in front of this pretty much brand new Huracan STO. Sadly, it was in a wreck. It was in a single car wreck. Gladly, our customer is okay, so he's health-wise he's good, but the car not so good. It doesn't look that bad, but because this car, the parts are so expensive, it's pretty bad. This could be a total loss. We don't know yet, but we'll see. I'm gonna show you guys very briefly what's going on. The front end got destroyed, and on this car, the front end is one piece. So you see, all of this is gone right here. There's no headlight left. It's all broken. This piece actually comes off without really even doing much. So let's see. Yep, there you have it. This is about 60 grand in my hand right here. So we're gonna have to replace all this. We're gonna be fixing it, but yeah, thank you.
We have right now for you guys the new calendar. If you ever see something cool, you never see something like this. Just look at that. Ta-da! So guys, all these cars, you enjoy it and you too. But now you can have in your house, on your home, your room, whatever, even in your shop. Just go through RDBLA.com and you got it. Easy like that.
All right, guys, I'm standing in front of these two Phantoms right here. This is actually an older one, and this is the newest of the Rolls Royce fleet. This is a 2023 model Rolls Royce Phantom. The 2023 has different wheels. It has an illuminated front grille. Some interior options have been changed. Super luxurious car. Everybody's been waiting for it. I'm the only shop out there that we know of that I think has one, and it's already going to be under the knife. We're going to be wrapping it two-tone. Wheels are already in order and all that stuff. This one right here is an ongoing project. This car had a lot of body dents and issues. We went in and fixed it, and now we wrapped it in satin black. That's why it's missing a lot of parts on the front. We're gonna be putting everything back together. We're gonna be putting some badass custom RDB wheels on there. It's gonna have a really, really nice tone to it. It's gonna be a two-tone black car with two-tone wheels. So super excited about that. And it has that brown interior, which the old Phantom, that was really what they were known for, that brown interior, honestly. So two Phantoms right here. Very, very new. One of the older ones. They're both sick, honestly, and you can see the size difference. That car is still pretty big for what it is. Stay tuned. On the next episode, we're gonna finish this one up. Maybe this one on the next two episodes, we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna show you some of the inside of this car next. Now we're gonna get into this interior. Interior on this car is badass, guys. So you see the seats right there, super luxury seats. You have obviously the footrest that goes up so you could have your feet go up. Even the floorboard of this car actually raises. As you can see down here, the floorboard goes up and down. Hey, look at that. Just so you can have a little bit extra comfort and have your legs touch the floor. Of course, you got buttons everywhere. I'm gonna open the screen from here. There's the table opening up. I got a mirror here to check out myself, like the old school. Obviously, stars everywhere. You got champagne refrigerator right here, more compartments to put your glass, whatever. Fully adjustable seats, so I'm able to recline more, go forward more. And obviously, I could close the door from here. All right, I'm standing in front of this new wheel right here. This is the 2023 Phantom wheel. As you can see, it has like the aero disc style where it's a full face and then it has the aero holes on the corners. This is like the new trend right now for the aftermarket wheel company, so it's pretty cool to see Rolls-Royce brought it back. Maybe it's just to shove it to the aftermarket guys, I don't know. But this is a pretty badass wheel. The only problem with it is it's a 22, and on this car it looks a little bit small. So we're already gonna be making this wheel in a 24. Not for this car, we're doing something else different for it, but in the future, we're going to be making this wheel in a 24, 26-inch version as well. So, really cool wheels from Rolls Royce.
Moses, what are these tires for?
All right, so we got some 24-inch tires right for this car in front of me, the Phantom. We're doing tires. We did a complete body wrap, satin black with gloss black accents. Looks really good. It's time to put the wheels on now. That's what we're gonna do. Put the wheels on right this second. Show you guys how the wheels look on the body of this car.
All right, we're standing in front of that Cullinan right now. As you saw previously many times, this purple Cullinan was a wrap. Hard to believe because the wrap was perfect. And the problem with wrapping a car so perfect is that when it's time to unwrap it, it's a big pain in the ass. This car also has the wide body on there, so we have to carefully remove the glue to get the flares off. But as you can see, under it is white. And then when we pan over, this car, we even had to do the door jambs. So all the door jambs are also wrapped in purple. So literally, we're gonna have to take the doors out. We're gonna have to take all this stuff off to get the wrap off. This is already 4 hours, 5 hours of work getting the wrap off, and we're not even anywhere near there. Luis already took off one flare on the other side, and he's gonna have to remove all this other stuff. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna remove this entire wrap, like I said, and we're gonna paint everything white. We're gonna change the wheels. It's gonna be a whole new makeover for this car, white with that baby blue interior. It's gonna be really sick. So hope you guys enjoy it.
All right, so we have this Mercedes ML350 here. This car was towed into us about 2 to 3 days ago, actually. Came on a tow truck. Alternator was bad, battery's bad, so the car had absolutely zero power. Actually, when we took the alternator out, actually we noticed that it is an original alternator. So it's been in there for quite some time. We put a brand new original alternator in there with a original battery as well. Also, this car had a coolant leak right by the heater core. There was a hose that was broken. We ordered that from Mercedes-Benz. Put it in, testing it right now. About 5 to 10 minutes, car will be ready, and customers are gonna be on the way to pick it up. Dude, it's perfect. We've never done a better Cullinan. Look. Why is this guy looking at everybody? He's mad. This is the kind of day where you gotta go like and have a barbecue at a picnic, like at a park or something. You know, carne asada meat, salad, avocados, and then after that you gotta go to cheesecake and like get a slice of cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake, like the original strawberry cheesecake.
This is why you gained all your weight back.
And then at night you gotta have a burger. And wash it down with a Coke. I wish I owned one of these hotels. Imagine just coming and collecting rent and going back home.
That'd be nice.
Like sleeping and playing PlayStation. Like you would leave the house once every 30 days just to collect your rent.
Yeah.
It's so funny. Have you ever tried honking at somebody and just waving at them? Like they know they don't know if they should say hi or not, and they're like confused. But usually they still say hi. Like they don't know if they remember you or not. Like they'll just wave, you know? Like,
Well, yeah, when you're in a Cullinan, why wouldn't they wave back?
no. There you go. That's a good spot.
He also saw the camera, so who knows?
Hi. No personality.
Wait, so you ordered merch and your name is not on the order?
No. Because then I won't get it.
Just because you know you won't get it.
Then I won't get it.
Wait, never ordered it.
You can't even tell.
What name is it so we can check? What name is
Yeah?
it? What name is it so we check?
Don't worry about it.
Okay,
He's lying, there's no order. Unless her name is Raquel or something.
Yeah, it is.
Bullshit.
Who's Raquel?
No, this one ordered a license plate frame and a pen.
What did you order?
I ordered a calendar and then the zipper hoodie.
Bullshit.
What?
Just check for the order.
When did you order it?
Bro, when have I bullshitted?
When did you
Look at
order
the
it?
4 pairs I bought of shoes.
When did you
Remember
order it?
Auto
You bought
Care?
4 pairs of shoes?
Remember Auto Care? Bro, I spent $3K on the Auto Care products, wholesale supposedly. That
It's a
shit
dope
was
shirt.
Fucking wholesale. That shit was fucking same price.
Your name is definitely not Kevin Campos. He's lying, man. He didn't order shit.
Bro. When I bring
Hey, let
you,
me
you'll
see your
it.
shirt. Let me see your shirt. What's the back look like? What are you doing on the phone? It's work
I'm
hours.
placing an order for RDB.
Damn.
Trying to get an
While,
RDB
while you're on the clock,
trying to
you're
get an
ordering
RDB
merch?
sweater. Yeah, but it's money for you guys. So it's good.
Hey man, open this.
Badass.